Yesterday I had a long travel day, got stranded in a random city once, but eventually I made it here to a city called Tozeur, which is on the edge of the Sahara Desert. Today I booked a driver and I'm going to check out the desert. So our first stop in the desert is this place called Chebeka. It's this oasis in the desert here. I don't know what it is because my driver doesn't speak English, but I think I'm supposed to hike up into the mountains here. Found water in the desert. I'm saved. Came back into town so I could switch to a smaller pair of wheels. So we rode our quads to someplace in the desert where there's these faces in the rock. And I don't know what they mean because, again, no one speaks English. Riding around the desert for a bit, and now we've stopped at this lake to enjoy the sunset.